Welcome back, YouTube. What's up? What's up? So I'm happy because thanks to every single one of y'all, my channel got verified already, and I wouldn't do it without y'all. I want to thank every single one of you guys, all my supporters, for every single like, comment, everything. And well, I'm doing a giveaway, $50 gift card for Amazon and stuff. So stay tuned. Like this video, share, tell your people about it. I have more ideas for the Rover, so stay tuned, and thanks for your support, guys. Alright guys, so for the giveaway, I need you guys to leave your name down in the comments if you want to participate and stuff. So just leave a like, share, and leave your name down and share it with all your people. Alright, so what we're doing today is thanks to my cousin. Where you saw it at?
TikTok.
She saw it at TikTok, so let's get this project on and just wait for it. These are the materials we're using today. It's peel coat, gloss black, peel coat, gloss red. Gloves. It's gonna be a messy job, and just something to pour in the paint. So let's get started, guys. All right, so she's gonna put some gloves on, and we're about ready. What's the next step?
Mix the paint.
Mix the paint, there you go. So we're gonna grab the black first, and we're just gonna spray, I guess. Make it look liquid. Oh shit, watch out. So let's fucking test it out. So now what we're gonna do is just mix it. All right, so now it's kind of mixed. So it's a mixture of gloss red and gloss black. So this is what we have so far. Shit, I guess it looks like real blood. What do you think? That's a different tone. This one's a little bit darker. I think it looks nice though, right? What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, cuz, what's your opinion? Should we go darker or what?
Yeah, we should go a little bit darker to make it seem like real blood.
What real blood looks like?
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit kind of
Darker
looks,
tone?
yeah, maybe like a darker tone.
Going around.
Add a little bit more black to it. I like the splash though, how it looks like almost real blood. Check that shit out. She's taking over now.
Right here, you don't have to put it as much red because you can always put black, more darker tone.
You tell them, girl. Go ahead, tell them.
I don't know. And we're not perfect. We're just
experimenting right now.
As we go.
I was gonna tell you like right here, do some fingerprints, but you got it.
It's good. I don't want to mix it because you already put like right there, and I don't want it to be too dark.
Still looks good though. Do a couple splash right there. We'll be good. There you go. This shit gonna look so real, cops gonna pull us over. Watch. The nice effect. So now for the last, I'll be like that. For the last part, what we're gonna do is just put some handprints, add a little bit of black on it, and make it darker. So that way we can just give it like a better effect, I guess. Let's go.
Okay, slap it on there.
Oh, slap.
Over my hand. Down.
Like sliding?
Yeah. And then go down. There you go. You Gucci.